If you're looking to protect your car but don't have a garage, a carport is a great alternative. Carports offer similar protection, are easy to set up, and can withstand tough weather conditions. They also provide shade and can even extend your patio space. In this video, we'll review the top 5 carports for making your choice. Starting at number 5, we have the King Bird Heavy Duty Anti-Snow Carport. This carport is the best for snow, offering superior protection in snowy conditions. The high-angle, pointed roof on this carport is specifically designed to preventing heavy from pooling, even though the cover is made of fabric. The roof has a polyethylene fabric cover, supported by 6 steel beams that prevent the triangle-shaped top from warping or breaking. Beyond the roof integrity, this carport offers all-around protection with fully covered sides and roll-up front and back openings. During heavy rain, unroll the front and back openings, zip them closed, and your car is completely enclosed. That said, without ventilation, the carport is more susceptible to wind, so make sure each corner is properly staked and weighed down. In 4th place, it's the Veikou Galvanized Steel Carport. This carport has the best all-metal construction, ensuring durability and strength. With width that can cover a full-size pickup truck, this carport is a durable, practical option for larger vehicles. The all-metal rust-resistant structure is rated to withstand winds of up to 100 miles per hour, and its galvanized roof can hold up to 35 pounds per square foot of snow. The roof is also sloped to prevent snow and rain from accumulating. While the roof is extremely protective, the carport lacks any side walls, so your vehicle is more exposed than some other options we cover. At number 3, we have the Backyard Discovery Barrington All Cedar Wood Carport. This is the best heavy-duty carport, made with robust cedar wood. This wooden carport is a standout for style and heavy-duty construction. The cedar frame is incredibly durable, and once installed, stays firmly in place. In fact, the carport is rated to withstand wind gusts of up to 100 miles per hour. This strength is combined with a waterproof steel rooftop that protects your car from rain or snow and keeps the majority of moisture away from the wood. The size and durability does come with drawbacks. The assembly process is relatively complex and time-consuming. For such a large and heavy carport, it's worth considering professional assembly. Coming in at number 2, we have the Gardesol heavy-duty carport with roll-up ventilated windows. This carport offers the best value, combining quality and affordability. This carport from Gardesol is an affordable choice that works as more than just a protected parking spot. With 4 mesh windows, the carport doubles as a space for outdoor activity, much like a covered gazebo. The roll-up front opening completely envelopes your car, so when it starts to rain or snow, simply zip down the front and all sides of the car are protected. Each of the ventilated windows has roll-up covers, so nothing inside is exposed to the elements. While the fabric is waterproof, some users report leaky windows. Also, the fabric connects to the steel joints with Velcro, which may wear out over time. And taking the top spot at number 1, it's the Sannwsg Metal Heavy-Duty Carport. This carport is the best overall, offering excellent durability and protection. With a sturdy metal roof and roll-down walls, this carport combines the security of heavy-duty options with the versatility of lightweight fabric. The roof is made of galvanized steel that, when caulked and sealed, is completely waterproof. It is also resistant to rust and corrosion, so it can stay outside year-round. The roll-down sides are made of waterproof polyethylene fabric, which provides even more protection during rainstorms. The metal roof features a support beam across the center, which prevents bending or bowing under the weight of snow accumulation. The carport also comes with an attachable solar lamp that mounts anywhere on the metal frame, a handy extra that we appreciate. In the end, a quality carport is a worthwhile investment to shield your vehicle from harsh outdoor elements. Through our testing, we identified durable, easy-to-install options suitable for any size or type of vehicle. Think about your space, budget, and storm resistance when choosing the right one. With UV protection and a sturdy frame, our top picks will protect your paint, upholstery, and undercarriage for many years of use.